Hi guys, so today we are going to finish filling this hotbed. We filled it up to the top as an experiment. I put potatoes on the top and then just sprinkled hay over the top of that. And what happened was it cooked them. It cooked the potatoes. They are no longer raw. It doesn't really matter because those potatoes had gone to sprout anyway. It was an experiment. These are my potatoes, very, very cooked. So I'm just gonna leave those in as fertilizer for whatever I plant next. I'm not gonna dig them out or anything. We are gonna raise the bed up another, I don't know, maybe another 4 inches, and then we're gonna put our potting soil on top and we're gonna plant into them. It's not so hot now that it'll cook anything, but we're still not gonna put plastic on it because regular greenhouse plastic will hold steam in. This is still a hotbed, it's hot. It'll hold steam in and it'll cook the plants. The only cover we're going to put over it is the frost cloth, and we're going to put cold weather crops in, and they should do just fine. Things like kohlrabi and cabbage, kale, that kind of thing is going to go in this bed. I've got it, well, since Granny gave us all those plants, we have to get them in today. So this will just be our early morning work. Really all we're going to do is take and fill in these places where it's sunk a little bit, level it out a little bit, and then we're going to plant. Alright, we've got 4 more inches on the bed of just nasty wood chips. Now I'm going to put some of this on. I like to have something with bacteria between the wood chips and the roots of the plants, because otherwise the wood chips will suck all the nitrogen, all the fertilizer out of your soil. I don't have enough rabbit manure right now because I'm using that as a mulch around raspberries and strawberries. And I don't like this fertilizer at all. It did not do a good job, so I'm just going to waste it here. Okay, we have our layer that came out of an old hotbed. It's about 6 inches, maybe 4 inches, 4 to 6 inches of old material out of the old hotbed. We're going to put some of the peat moss stuff on and mix it with perlite and some vermiculite. We need some vermiculite from out in the... Vermiculite looks a little bit like gold flakes, and what it does is it retains water, moisture. I'm going to water it now, otherwise all that dry peat moss and perlite will pull moisture out of the new plants when I put them in. Now you just plant it like a normal garden. Just in case my camera dies, thanks for watching. I do have the instructions for how to make a hotbed on my Etsy store. I call it a pallet hotbed. So go check it out. It's in the description below. Yes, honey?
Well, you can put that one on. See right there.
Alright, I've added posts to the back of the bed so that none of the fabric drapes on the ground or ever blows on the ground. And on a windy day, I can drape the fabric over the posts to protect the plants from wind while they get sun. You do need pop bottles on the top of those sticks or else they'll puncture your frost cloth. These are what we call short useless screws. I use them to attach the plastic containers on top of those stakes. This is why you do it, so it doesn't get destroyed. Alright, this wind is strong enough, even though I'm not quite finished. I'm going to put the frost cloth back over the top just to protect them from the bright sun and also to protect them from the wind.